Here's how to fix Valorant VAN84 connection error, working through the fixes in the right order. Start with Windows Firewall. Search for Windows Defender Firewall and click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Click Change Settings and scroll down to find Riot Client and Valorant. Make sure both private and public are checked for each. If either is missing, click Allow another app. Browse to your C drive, navigate to the Riot Client and Valorant folders, and add their executables. Check both private and public boxes for each. Next, fix the VGC service. Search for Services, scroll down to VGC, right-click it, and open Properties. Set Startup Type to Automatic, and if the service is not running, click Start. Apply, then OK. Right-click VGC again and select Restart. Without VGC running correctly, Vanguard cannot initialize and VAN84 will appear every time. Now reset your network. Go to Settings, then Network and Internet, then Advanced Network Settings, then Network Reset, and confirm. This clears corrupted network configurations that cause connection failures. Open Task Manager, go to Startup Apps, and confirm both Riot Client Services and VGC Tray are enabled. If either is disabled, right-click and enable it, then restart your PC. If the error still appears, open CMV as administrator. Type SC delete VGC and press Enter. Then SC delete VGK and press Enter. Restart your PC. Delete the Riot Vanguard folder from C drive, Program Files, and reinstall Valorant fresh. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.